Hi, Mika, Kitty, Tessa, Violet, and Jason, and I forget your name, I'm sorry, but all caps, um, which, by the way, is one of my favorite YouTube electronic bands. Um, I really appreciate Let's Go Outside. It's a good, happy, coffee-like caffeine buzz for my 3:30 essay that I have to write right now. But I thought I'd take a little break, and it helped wake me up, so thank you. Um, I am a student at Columbia University, and I'm a beatboxer in Columbia University's co-ed a cappella group Non Sequitur. And in lieu of that, I would like to show my appreciation for you, Mika Kitty, and all caps, and Jason for this video, and I'm going to give a little beatbox tribute to Don't Unplug Me. So here that goes. System reboot. I don't wanna die. I remember. So that was Don't Unplug Me. Might be kind of difficult to figure out what's going on when, but if you listen, I mean, you guys know the songs, especially you, all caps, but if you listen to it again next to the song, you can sort of see where they match up. So I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah. Keep posting videos. Keep me awake. Thanks.